In this video, I'll show you how to install a fully completed save file in Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012 to unlock all cars and ultimate money. Check my video description for this save file link. I click on the downloaded save and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and close stuff here and navigate to documents, Criterion Games. Drag and drop this folder to desktop. This is a game progress. Try and drop this 100% save inside. Now you can launch the game. And as you can see, the 100% save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.